Welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today I'm going to show you my magic sand set. And here is Tiny Treasures Mini, which he's very cute.
And what's he doing?
And he's my brother, and he's just doing something which takes a long time. So, here's this guy. And I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to play with it. So, hello. How are you today, dude? Guess what? We have to get out of here. Okay. Die. The mountain. Oh, who did that? Juliana? My friend, and she loves this roller coaster. Yikes, you gotta get me out of here. Stop. I'm almost there. Don't eat me. You need a brush. No. Just make footprints. Footprints. I love doing footprints. Make footprints all over. Guess what? Watch me. Da 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 da. I love making footprints. So fun. Now when they come in, it will be super surprised and hard. What happened to my room? Someone's been in here. It looks like Jack's feet. Sorry. Get out of my room! Want a strawberry? Yeah, make me one, please. If you say please, yes. Strawberry. Can you get me a new haircut, please? Here. Now, I just put new hair on. How do you... Oh. Okay. Dudes, how do you like it?
Not done.
Oh. I don't want to get a new one. Who's doing that? Gloria?